Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We have one confirmed case today. This is a case of a passenger who had travelled with another person who was already confirmed positive a couple of days back. So that brings our total number of active cases to 48. Today 361 samples were sent for testing and we have received 239 reports. Reports awaited are 122. Suspects under hospital isolation are 2. Interstate domestic travellers quarantined 183, travellers in facility quarantined 189, and the people quarantined at various residencies 644. Booking of people, there is no law under which we are booking them. For them, our new protocol says very specifically, if they are found to violate the home quarantine norm, they will be shifted to institutional quarantine along with their family. It is not booking under a provision of law. It is an action that we are taking to ensure that they do not continue to violate the quarantine.
Are we today ready to face anything more than what we are there? Testing kits आयले म्हणतात, टेस्टिंग मशीन येवपाचें आशिल्लें आयलें. हेल्थ मिनिस्टर कितें तरी बरें करूंक सोदता, ताका करून दिता. तर पॉलिटिकल वन अपमॅनशिपान आज शेवटी जे गजाल जावंक लागल्या तातूंत आमची मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी जी आसा इज ऑलरेडी अंडर ट्रिमेंडस प्रेशर. दे आर डुईंग अ फॅन्टॅस्टीक जॉब, बट यू कांट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. तांकां स्वताचें लायफ आसा आनी आमी ग्रीन झोनान आशिल्ले लोक आज आमी शिफ्ट जावन ऑरेंज रेड झोन अनऑफिशियली पाविल्ले आसा. हातूंत कांयच दुबाव ना. एक वाटेन मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा की आपूण टुरिस्ट आपयना, पूण म्हणटा की एमएचे गायडलायन चेंज जाल्ल्या प्रमाणे 31 मेच्या मागीर टुरिस्ट येवंक शकता. दुसऱ्या वाटेन तो म्हणटा की सेंटर ओपन करतना आपूण टुरिस्ट हाडटलो जाल्यार हे सगळे येता ते लोक कोण, कोणाचे सोयरे, खंयचे नॉन गोवन्स, खंयचे महाराष्ट्राच्यो गाडयो, खंयच्यो गुजरातच्यो गाडयो, खंयच्यो दिल्लीच्यो गाडयो भोंवपाक एकदम लागल्यो. आनी हें करता आसतना पुलीस खंय आसा?